The track dumper CID 5719 is a compact and versatile track dumper designed for various construction and landscaping applications. It is equipped with a robust chassis and rubber tracks, allowing it to maneuver easily on uneven and challenging terrain. The CID 5719 has a payload capacity of approximately 4,188 pounds and is powered by a diesel engine, providing ample power for hauling materials. It features a tilting dump bed, which enables efficient and controlled unloading of materials. The operator's platform is designed for comfort and visibility, ensuring safe and convenient operation. The CID 5719 is an ideal choice for transporting and dumping materials in confined spaces or areas with limited access. The SK480-73 EDrive is a compact crane offered by Spirings, known for its maneuverability and suitability for urban environments. With a width of 2.55 meters and a total length of 13.08 meters, it boasts a compact design that allows for easy maneuvering. Its small footprint of less than 10 meters makes it ideal for navigating urban spaces. The crane's maximum outrigger support base measures 7,250 x 7,200 millimeters squared, providing stability and support during operations. The SK480-73 EDrive is a versatile option for lifting and construction tasks in tight and urban areas. The Vermeer D20X22S3 is a horizontal directional drill manufactured by Vermeer Corporation. It is designed for drilling underground utility installations with precision and efficiency. The D20X22S3 offers a compact and maneuverable size, making it suitable for urban or confined job sites. This HDD model features a drilling diameter of up to 20 inches and a maximum drilling depth of 22 feet. It is equipped with a powerful engine and advanced drilling system that delivers the necessary torque and thrust for effective drilling. The Terramach RD6 is a compact, versatile, and rubber track crawler carrier designed for various off-road applications. It is known for its exceptional maneuverability and ability to navigate challenging terrains with ease. The RD6 features a durable chassis and robust construction, allowing it to handle heavy loads and rough terrain conditions. It is equipped with high flood-tie-in rubber tracks that provide excellent traction and minimize ground disturbance, making it suitable for sensitive or environmentally protected areas. With its compact size and tight turning radius, the RD6 can access confined job sites and navigate through narrow spaces with efficiency. It offers excellent stability and can safely operate on slopes and uneven ground. The Hitachi X5600 is a large hydraulic excavator known for its powerful performance and high productivity in demanding mining and construction applications. It is part of Hitachi's X6 series of excavators, designed to handle heavy-duty tasks with efficiency and reliability. The X5600 is equipped with a robust and durable structure to withstand the rigors of tough operating conditions. It features a spacious operator cabin that provides comfort and excellent visibility for the operator, ensuring a safe and productive working environment. The Terramach RD14R is a versatile tracked vehicle that has been developed by a local team. It can be used in various applications, such as construction sites or and reclamation projects. With its impressive features, it proves to be a highly capable and adaptable machine. The cab of the vehicle can rotate 360 degrees, allowing for greater maneuverability. It has a payload capacity of 12.7 tons and is powered by a 320 horsepower engine, enabling it to reach a maximum speed of 10 kilometers per hour. The company highlights the user-friendly interface, which includes a screen, camera and joystick, making operation effortless. Additionally, the crawler platform offers additional equipment options, such as a dust suppression system or an oversized hauler for transporting logs. The Fontini 70RA is an intriguing offering from an Italian company specializing in the restoration and sale of sophisticated equipment. Currently, they are selling a machine designed for working with rocks, specifically on a Caterpillar platform. This equipment is meticulously restored and arrives in excellent condition, making it suitable for various applications, including working with marble. Italy is renowned for its marble mines, and the Kararski marble, considered one of the most valuable varieties globally, is of particular interest. The machine boasts a 3-meter-long blade and impressive cutting speed, reaching up to 13 centimeters per minute. According to the manufacturer, this model is one of their best-selling worldwide and is extensively utilized by mining companies. The wide track base of the machine facilitates easy movement and transportation across the worksite, providing enhanced maneuverability. The mobile brick-making machine has become an active participant in a government program in India. By March 24, 2022, these machines have successfully constructed over 23.2 million permanent housing units. These units were built using a combination of building materials such as wood, cement, concrete, and, of course, bricks. The local company responsible for these machines offers a range of models, even the simplest of which can produce up to 6,000 bricks per hour. The more advanced models can double that output, reaching up to 12,000 bricks per hour. Operating the machine efficiently requires a team of 3 or 4 individuals who work together to ensure the smooth production of bricks without causing any damage. The machine's innovative sensor systems play a crucial role in maintaining precision and consistency throughout the brick-making process. Remarkably, it is possible to cover an area of 152,259 square meters, equivalent to nearly 2 soccer fields, in just 4 days using these machines. The Bazooka Farm Star Wolverine agitation boat has gained attention due to the global shortage of manure in certain countries. In fact, the scarcity of manure has reached a point where the UK has witnessed the emergence of manure hunters who eagerly seek to utilize sewage contents. As a result, specialized manufacturers have emerged to address this demand. The advantage of utilizing techniques like the Wolverine agitation boat from the United States is its ability to effectively mix manure in wagons. Without proper mixing, numerous issues arise, such as clogged pumps, which not only waste money but also consume valuable time. This model tackles these challenges by incorporating 251 diameter propellers. With its 302 horsepower engine and a spacious tank, the boat can operate continuously for up to 10 hours on a single fill. The Wolverine agitation boat from Bazooka Farm Star provides a reliable solution to the manure scarcity problem. Its efficient mixing capabilities and extended operating time make it an invaluable asset for farmers and agricultural operations dealing with manure management. The Cymex RWE100 introduces an innovative feature that enhances the capabilities of an excavator by equipping it with cutting capabilities. This unique solution has garnered interest among demolition professionals as it allows for faster and more efficient demolition work on various materials like concrete, asphalt, and stone. Developed and manufactured in Italy, the Cymex RWE100 is available in multiple models, offering a working depth of up to 1 meter. The recommended weight range for the excavator to be equipped with this upgrade is between 28 to 75 tons. Once installed, this cutting attachment enables the excavator to perform both horizontal and vertical cuts, even underwater. It has proven useful in diverse applications, such as facilitating the expansion of a hospital in a Swiss city and dismantling concrete floors in similar scenarios. The Manitou TH57 introduces an interesting fact about wheel designed for quarry operations. This wheel is comparable in weight and height to that of an adult elephant, weighing 5.3 tons and standing at 4 meters tall. This comparison emphasizes the massive size and strength of the wheel, highlighting its significance in handling heavy-duty tasks. In the event of tire-related issues, it becomes crucial to have the right assistance, and this is where the Manitou hoists come into play. Manufactured by the French company Manitou, these lifting devices offer a range of equipment variants with lifting capacities ranging from 2.5 to 12 tons. You have the flexibility to operate the equipment either from the cabin or remotely using a manipulator. Have you ever wondered what happens to worn-out tires? In some cases, they undergo a process called roughening using systems like the Eagle Edge 360. These roughening machines are designed to strip away the worn-out layer of tread from the tires, leaving them ready for further processing. The Eagle Edge 360, manufactured in the United States, employs a special cutter head to scrape off the worn tread layer. Operating on an automated cycle, the Eagle Edge 360 system carefully monitors various parameters, including tire rotation and pressure. It utilizes high-performance vacuum technology combined with a magnetic insert. This advanced vacuum evacuation technology efficiently collects and captures any released metal particles during the roughening process. The Traffic Line's Duo Twister is a remarkable solution for tackling a common issue on racetracks: the accumulation of rubber worms. Whether it's due to braking, overtaking, or other maneuvers, racetracks require thorough cleaning before each new day of racing. The German series Traffic Lines has introduced an effective solution to address this problem. Interestingly, this technology is not limited to racetracks alone. It has also found applications in airports. What's truly impressive is that the cleaning process does not rely on chemicals, but rather utilizes a powerful water jet. This method ensures that the surface dries quickly and remains undamaged. With a generous working width of up to 4.2 meters, the Traffic Line's Duo Twister enables swift and efficient operation. Additionally, its patented suction and recirculating system further enhances productivity, saving both time and money. The machine's tank capacity is substantial, providing ample water supply for approximately 6.5 hours of continuous operation. The Barford Big Trax is a heavy-duty off-road dump truck designed for demanding construction and mining applications. It features a robust chassis and high ground clearance, allowing it to navigate rough terrain and transport large loads. The Big Trax is equipped with a powerful engine and advanced suspension system, providing excellent traction and stability in challenging conditions. It has a spacious cab with ergonomic controls for operator comfort and convenience. The dump body of the Big Trax is hydraulically operated, allowing for efficient and quick unloading of materials. Overall, the Barford Big Trax is a reliable and durable machine that excels in demanding off-road operations. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of interesting videos which can impress you. See you soon in the new video. Bye.